know, one thing is you see today GITEX, you see people walking fast, everything is fast, people are coming back, and this reminds me of something. The only constant thing that we will see continuously is the speed, is how things are moving fast. We don't know what's going to happen next, but the only thing that we are proud at NetApp to share as well today at GITEX, how fast we are evolving and innovating. And today at GITEX, we have actually a big announcement happening. But prior to that as well, and beginning of the year, we announced lots of new technologies, which is with our hyperscaler alliances. We've announced a new enhancement with Microsoft, Azure, with as well AWS. We have announced our FSx solution, which will help us as well with the journey to the cloud, as well with our partners. And we're coming up with lots of cloud data services on top of what we do with our hyperscalers to give a room to our partners to really benefit from some profitability by providing their services to their customers. So we have a new announcement coming basically on Thursday, because we have our largest event. It's Insight 2021, which is digital. I can announce something nice, which is we're having for the first time NetApp TV, where our customers and our partners can connect and hear the latest announcement, the latest technology, and this is on Thursday. So today I can't tell you a lot, but I can tell you that our data management solution and the journey to the cloud, we take pride that NetApp has transformed and had evolved from being the storage vendor to be a cloud-led data services company, where we provide our partners and our customers the best technology to take it to their customers and make sure that we have a unique customer experience, and not only for our customers, but as well for our employees. So it's exciting to be today at GITEX, and it's exciting to be at NetApp and have a great story and a great solution with lots of announcements. Be fast, put your running shoes on, follow NetApp, because we have a lot to share with you this Thursday. You know, that's why I love where I am with NetApp and with the channel, because I can tell them a lot and guide them on what is exciting in terms of technology. We speak with customers and we tell them, you want to be future ready? And they look at us, what's future? Yes, it might be for some customer, robotics, AI, cloud, but guess what? What's at the core of all of these new technologies? Data. Data is at the core, and the vendor that can provide the right solutions to manage this data from the point of data, which means making sure that it's secure. You can transfer this data, archive it, send it to any cycle within the data management cycle, being secure, being easy to transfer, being it on-prem or on cloud or in a hybrid model, wherever it lives your data. With NetApp, you can manage it and get the best out of it. So this is really exciting. When I speak a little bit about cloud, you see all this excitement. And not only because, you know, we're not a hyperscaler, but what we do, we're giving the services to our customers that makes their life easier. We help them save cost when it comes to the journey to the cloud, and we help them go there. But if they have an application and they're not too sure how they utilize their data, and we want to analyze this data, so we help them, and that is the journey into artificial intelligence. But guess what? All of this is linked to how you keep your data, where you keep it. You want to make sure that it is hybrid, it is on the cloud, it is on-prem, anywhere. With the Cloud Manager, you can manage all your data from wherever it is. And that is really something very unique and very nice. I'm a channel lady, so it's, of course, you know, I say they are our eyes, our hands, and our ears in the market. And we don't do direct. It's everything indirect through our partners. So yes, they are on the top of our hierarchy. So that's why we invest a lot with them. We make sure that they are specialists in what they do. They differentiate themselves in the market. And when they are different, they are special, they bring the unique solution for our customers. And when we have customers that they are happy, we have partners that they are happy, and we are the best vendor to work for. So that's how we link it together. Customer comes first, of course, but we help our partners to make sure they keep this customer experience unique, and we help them thrive through the difficult times. It was 2 years, we had the pandemic, but above all, we earned more their loyalty, their trust. We were there when they needed us, and I'm sure we will continue to be there for them. We love our channel. They are everything for us.